Oh, that would be so cute.
I'm sorry, I lost the dang key. I'm sorry, it's right here, guys.
Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Toy Box Collectibles. My name is Cupcake and I'm here with lovely Moon Bunny.
Hey guys.
And today we have something really exciting to open.
Animal Crossing.
Woo!
Yay!
This was sent to us by UCC and we have a full box to open up today. I'm super excited for this because
Me too.
I've just been playing the Pocket Camp.
Yeah.
All up on that right now.
I love it. It's so cute.
Yeah.
I mean, I love Animal Crossing, like New Leaf and Happy Home Designer.
Yes.
They're all so cute. And these are backpack buddies.
Yeah.
So you know they're gonna be on our bags.
Yes, for sure. And I hope Isabel has a bell.
That would be so cute.
So I know. So addictive. So I think there's 8 that are included in this set. So I don't know how big they actually are.
I know,
so
I'm interested to see. Oh, we
gotta open the front. We gotta open from the front.
Yeah. Oh, I
Oh,
think
there's a
it's stuck.
tape.
Get it? Ready?
Yeah.
There we go.
All right. So
Yeah.
let's see how big they actually are.
They look
Decent size.
inside. There's a plastic in here, so it's kind of hard to tell by squeezing the bag.
Yeah. And I think these are plush.
Are
they
they?
plush?
I think they're just
Are they plastic? Okay.
I don't know. We'll find
We'll
out.
find out. We're gonna find out.
Who are you most excited to get?
Well, obviously.
Isabel?
She's my favorite.
I love Sable, so I really am excited for Sable. Or KK. KK Slider, he's cool too.
Yeah, I gotta say, Isabel, she better have a bell.
Oh, I hope so. That'd be
Disappointed.
cool.
You wanna do the honors? You go first?
Yes. Okay. There's a little notch open. Let's see who it is.
I'm just gonna have Isabel here cheering.
Cheering us on. All right. Who is this?
Oh, they're so little! Yay!
Yay! What are the odds?
I know. They're little.
They are.
Oh my gosh.
They're so cool. They feel cool. What? Get out of there.
Ooh, that is really cool. Look at her hair.
Her hair looks really cool. It's kind of like it's not like hard. Like they kind of move a little. I don't know how to describe it.
It's like
Like
manipulable,
malleable.
You know what we mean.
You know what we mean. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it.
She's so
She's
cute.
adorable. Look at those spikes. Let's see if you can get Isabel.
Yeah,
That would
hopefully.
be awesome.
Let's see who we got.
Who is it?
No! I'm putting him back. Pretend like that never happened.
That didn't happen. That didn't happen.
didn't happen.
No.
I'm gonna grab from the top.
Let's just open the
And
top.
you grab from the bottom. There's so many in here.
Oh
It's like
my
stacked to the top.
I also like that there's like, it's like a metal chain. on
Yeah.
there. Yeah. Let's do this. Hopefully it's a new one. We gotta get them all.
Oh,
Yay! I can't remember his name.
Blathers?
Blathers, that's
Blathers.
right. Yeah. Oh, so cute.
I'm trying to think of the little jingle that happens in Animal Crossing.
Trying to recreate
Yeah.
it. Look, guys. How cute. He's the one you take all your fossils and stuff to.
Yeah, I remember him.
Yeah.
I really like the way that they turned out. Let's see who we have. Let's see who we got.
Yay!
Is this Porter?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
He is so
guys.
cute.
I love his little face.
Yes, he has such a cute little face. Look at his tiny little, it definitely embodies Animal Crossing.
Oh my goodness, his
So
tail.
cute.
His little tail.
I'm like my own little Animal Crossing village.
Oh my gosh, yes. We
Right?
need to. We need to make a whole
Right?
village. Let's see here. Who's it gonna be? Is it someone new? It is!
Which one? Who is that?
It's Tom Nook. Oh, guys! Oh my gosh, I love it. Get out of there.
Aww.
Aww. It's
Aw.
so cute.
He even has like a little belly. Like there's like little shading on his nose.
And his nose. I was about to say
and his ears
that.
too.
I love the shading on his nose. Oh my gosh, guys.
This means happy.
This means happy.
This means happy.
Come on, Isabel. Come on.
Oh! Oh!
KK! And is he sitting playing the guitar?
Yes, he is.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Yes.
he's on a little stool.
Oh my gosh. I hope if they do a series 2 that we get DJ KK with the headphones.
Goodness. This is so adorable.
That is so cute.
I didn't even realize though, even on this little hook, it has the little leaves.
Yeah.
The
The little
little-
hook is really cute.
So adorable. And he stands on his own.
How cute. He's playing everyone music. Who else do we need? We need Isabel and Timmy.
Yeah.
Oh,
Kelly.
no.
Oh, we just got a repeat.
We just got a repeat.
So we need 3 more, right?
3 more.
Okay, it looks like we're probably going to be running into
Some repeats.
repeats for sure. Oh!
No.
Repeat
It's hard too because
city.
we can't even feel.
No.
We have to just guess. So we need Pelly, Isabel,
And Timmy.
and Timmy.
Slash Tommy.
Timmy/Tommy. All right, come on. Yes!
Oh, it's Timmy slash Tommy. He's so little.
There is one on each level of
So
the little
little.
store, so I guess there is 2 of them. I never thought about
I didn't think about that either.
them either.
So if we get a repeat, we'll just say it's Tommy.
Yeah, exactly.
We got Timmy.
This is Timmy. We've
So
decided.
little.
It's so tiny, like compared to the others. Look at this.
Aww.
Who's it gonna be?
Aww.
Oh man. Come on, where is Isabel?
We better get Isabel.
She has to be in here.
We better. She has to.
All right, I'm gonna take this one in the front. I've been
still-
avoiding it. I've been avoiding the one in the front, but it's probably a new one. Come on. Well,
Oh, well, Tommy.
Tommy!
Hey.
Yeah.
What do you know? It's Tommy. All right, let's see. It's Isabel.
I'm so glad you got to open it.
Yay!
Aw.
Okay, wait a minute. I need to add a bell to this. I think I'm
There's
just
not a
gonna.
bell.
I'm gonna add a bell to the top of this.
That would be really cute. And
So-
then you'll jingle everywhere you walk.
Look at her, she's so cute. Look at her little
Oh
feet.
my gosh, I love it.
Oh, and her tiny little chibi hands. She's so cute.
Her
She's
tiny
my
little
favorite.
chibi.
I love Isabel.
Oh.
I'm happy.
So all we need now is
Pelly.
Pelly. She's the one at the post office. Come on. One more. No. Okay, well.
Let's see this one.
Who's gonna get
Come
it?
on, Pel. Hey! Well, it's another Isabel.
No.
Another Isabel. Come on, Pelly.
Where are you at? It's her.
Yay!
It's her. I saw it. I saw her feet. Oh my gosh.
Here she
So
is.
cute. Look at her
Oh
little
my
feet.
goodness. Adorable.
Her little feet are too cute.
Oh, I love them. They're so cute. This actually came out really, really nice with the detail of her wings. They're like really thin, and then her beak comes out really far. It's just like,
She even has detail for her little bow on her shirt.
yeah. I don't know if you guys can see
Yeah,
that, but
it's like kind of hard to see in there.
yeah, it's so cute.
Aww.
I don't think we're gonna be able to stand these up, but we
Some
got
of
the
them
whole-
stand.
Yeah, like this one, and then we can put this one here. These are so adorable.
These are really awesome. I love them.
I do too.
Aw,
We
well,
have the
I
whole
mean,
collection.
we know which one's our favorite.
Yeah.
Right?
The ones we're holding.
The ones we're holding.
We're like, this is mine.
This one's mine.
Keeping this. Don't mind me.
Let us know in the comments below which one is y'all's favorite.
Yeah, let us know. And let us know if you guys are playing the new Pocket Camp. Maybe we can visit each other's campsites or something.
For
That'd be
sure.
really fun. But we hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. If you did, let us know. Leave a like, hit that little bell, and subscribe to get notified whenever we upload a video. And we'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.
Bye.